Alright guys, a real short and sweet highlight video today. Only had a few calls. Activision ATVI was on the watch list because of the gap up on Friday. Oftentimes just can't get going on the gap day, and then the next day it does go. Switching to 5-minute candles here. It did something we like to see when you have the big gap the previous day. It stayed in a nice narrow range. These are 5-minute candles. This first one, this is the opening candle today, so you can see that it stayed in a nice narrow range. Made a very easy call for me. I just called it on a high of day break with a low of day stop. It doesn't get much easier than that. 17. Actually, yeah, I think I did call low of day stop. 17.55 stop 18 cents below, and 18 cents is not a bad risk on an $18 stock basically. So there's the trigger. It based for a little bit and then finally got going, and again, all the way up to 18.39. You can see the nice move on the daily. So we got 84-cent move in our favor on 18 cents risk. I also called KNDI, very similar. You had the gap up on Friday. It's a lower price stock. Switched to 5-minute candles, and same deal kind of as Activision. Pretty narrow range, and I was just able to call if it got to the high of day break. I thought, hey, they might pile in again. You had a nice day on Friday. So it was just a simple 5.30 with a stop at 5.19 below this little base here. There's the trigger, and ended up going to 5.64. It doesn't seem like much, but 34 cents on a $5 stock is a very nice percentage move. And I made a nice little chunk of money on that one as well. And then one of our All-Stars big ideas called OMC. This was a short call. Pretty good call here. If you notice, it came down to the rising 8-period moving average 5-minute candles. You had this kind of nice narrow candle here. Thinking, hey, possible long here. Look what happens. Triggers. It breaks the previous 5-minute candle's high and almost immediately fails. Big ideas called this short. After that, below 68.41. So 68.40 stopped 37 cents above. There's the trigger, and it was off to the races to the downside. So this actually ended up moving down $4 on his short call on 37 cents risk that never even came close to stopping out in the green the whole time on that one after the entry. So as I said, short and sweet, and I'm going to quit babbling, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.